If you're getting the Blender OptiX general error, don't worry, this is usually a driver issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to fix the OptiX error in Blender, how to check your GPU settings, and what to do if OptiX still doesn't work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender fixes and quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the most important step is to update your NVIDIA drivers. For Blender and rendering, the Studio driver is usually the recommended option because it tends to be more stable for creative software. So go to NVIDIA's official driver download page, search for your graphics card, and install the latest Studio driver. If you already have a driver installed, it may still be outdated or mismatched, which is one of the most common causes of the OptiX general error. After the installation finishes, restart your computer. This is important because Blender may not detect the updated GPU driver until after a full restart. Once your system comes back on, open Blender. Now go to Edit, then Preferences, and then click on the System tab. Inside the Cycles Render Device section, look for the Device options. Set Cycles Device to OptiX. If your NVIDIA GPU appears in the list, that's a good sign. It means Blender is recognizing your graphics card and OptiX should be available. But if your GPU is not listed at all, that usually means there is still a driver issue, or Blender is not detecting your RTX card properly. In that case, go back and make sure the driver install completed successfully, and confirm you are using a supported NVIDIA RTX GPU. Keep in mind that OptiX requires an RTX graphics card. If your GPU is not RTX compatible, OptiX will not work, and that's completely normal. In that situation, the best fallback option is CUDA. CUDA is also available in Blender for many NVIDIA cards, and while it may not be as optimized as OptiX for RTX hardware, it can still let you render without the error. To switch, simply choose CUDA instead of OptiX in the same Blender System Preferences area. After changing the device, close Preferences and test your render again. If the error is gone, then the issue was likely caused by the driver or the device selection. If you still run into problems, one of the best things you can do is restart Blender after every major driver update, because Blender sometimes needs a full relaunch to refresh hardware detection. Also, make sure your Windows updates and NVIDIA driver version are not conflicting, since most OptiX problems come from a driver mismatch rather than Blender itself. So to recap, update your NVIDIA Studio driver, open Blender Preferences, set Cycles Device to OptiX, and if your GPU does not show up, check for an RTX supported card and consider switching to CUDA as a fallback. That's the fastest way to fix the Blender OptiX general error. If this helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Blender troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.